All right, let's talk about how you can divide an entire column or row by a single number or value within Excel. So here we have some sales projections for each quarter and year. Now let's say that our projections were a little bit too high and we actually wanted to divide all of these projections by 2. And now instead of manually going in there and typing a formula to divide those by 2, what we can do is in an adjacent cell we can put 2 and then copy that number, select the cells we're looking to divide that number by, and then if you hit Control-Alt-V, this will bring up the Paste Special menu. You can then select Divide, and if you hit OK, that will divide all of these numbers by 2, and we will switch this back to currency. And now all of our projections are in half. Now, if we accidentally did that and we want to increase it back by 2, we simply do the same thing. We can copy, select the cells, hit Control-Alt-V to bring up the Paste Special menu, and hit Multiply, and then hit OK, and we'll bring us back to our original numbers here. But there you have it. That's how you can divide an entire column or row by a single number. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.